welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally going to do something with the curtain rings I got a couple of weeks ago, weeks. Yeah. I got this bag full with all of the rings and I'm going to attempt to make something out of them. So let's see what it's going to be. So I have 3 different kind of curtain rings. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stack them on top of each other and make a little home decoration thingy. Some I'm going to leave just the wood and others I'm going to paint. And I also am going to paint some of them with a mixture of paint and baking soda. But first I have to get all of these little pins out and then I can glue them together. These two are one, but I'm gluing them separately because one part I'm not going to paint and the other part I am going to paint. And I'm going to glue them together after I painted this part. It's easier that way. So these are the paints I can choose from. And for the one with baking soda, I'm going to use this one. It's roasted pumpkin. This one is going to stay like this for now. Maybe I will change my mind. And this one, I think I'm going with the dazzling ochre. For this one, I am going for the ancient jade, so this one is not going to be used this time. And this is the selection. I'm going to show you some more of the details. And this one is with the yellow, and it actually looks a little bit like the natural one. And I really like this one with the very light of the jade green, I think it was, with a dark wood. It's really pretty. So here the natural one. I really like the structure of this. And also I didn't do anything about the holes that are in the rings because I really like how it looks. Just very rough. And for the big one, the combination of the paint with the baking soda, it really looks like it's made of stone. So that was it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any new ideas for a DIY, just leave it down in the comments and maybe you will see it in another video. So again, thank you so much and I will see you next time. Oh.